Okay, as you can see from the mess here, I have been having a literal playground playing around with this ResinCrete. This is ResinCrete by JDiction. So we're super excited. They sent this to us to try out. I have never used resin before, so this has been a lot of fun. But what comes in the kit is the mix. Super easy to use. You just add water. They send little coloring bottles with it. They send some molds, a scraper, some wax, measuring cups, sandpaper, everything you need to get going. One thing that I would add to your process is you'll need a little scale because everything is measured in grams. The stuff dries super hard. So in my plane, this is a mold. Look at how simple. I have not pulled this out yet. Look at how simple that comes out. I did coat this with wax. They include the wax. That is how easy this came out. And listen, it dries super hard and it dries fast. I don't know that it was this hard within the 30 minutes, but it was really hard. Their instructions say in 30 minutes, it's done.